What's up, everybody? This is Gleb from the Cellframe content team. I'm going to give you guys a little demo about how to get your dashboard up and running, look at the nodes, how to set up a wallet, and generally get started and playing around with our testnet. Alright, so first you're going to go ahead and get to cellframe.net, and here we go to download dashboard. Depending on your system, you'll have a different download package. I've already downloaded the exe file from my Windows device. And once you have that installed, when you install it, it's probably going to ask you, do you really want to install this unverified software? Go ahead and do that without any concern. Software is great and bug-free. All right, so once you have that set up, you can open the Cellframe dashboard. And the first window you see will prompt you to create a new wallet to get started. Now, as I'm talking, the dashboard is loading these different testnets that are currently operating. The one that our users should be interacting with is the Minkowski network. These other three, Sub-Zero, Melina, Backbone, are for internal purposes right now. But so you can go and connect to the Minkowski network so that your status is online. Then now we're offline, and now it's going to reestablish the connection there. Okay, so to get started, we can create a wallet. Mine is going to be called CellTest2. Choose a signature type. I'm going to go with the recommended dilithium. The other two types, if you want to know more about them, go ahead and ask our devs in the dev chat. I'm sure you can learn more details on that. And in general, I'm going to have a link to our dev channel in Telegram, where you can go and ask the dev team to drop you some test coins if you want to play around with the dashboard and wallets at this point. All right, so I've got my signature type chosen. Now I choose recovery method. You can either export a file you can then re-upload to recover your wallet, or with the 24 words that you can select, you can copy and paste onto a different file, or write it down hard copy, however you like. I'm going to export a file, save it to my desktop, and move on. There we go, CellTest2. Great, now we have successfully created a wallet. And as you can see, we have wallet addresses here displayed for all the different nets. Here's my Minkowski wallet address. Okay, so now I have a wallet, but it's empty. If you go into settings here, you can choose, if I had multiple wallets, I'll be able to choose which wallet to look at. And here I will choose my network. So I'm going to go with Minkowski for the moment. And in order to start playing around with the wallets, I'm going to import a wallet that the devs have kindly already dropped some coins into. And I'm going to do that using the 24-word method. First I need a name. CellTest. Paste that in, and my wallet is created successfully. So now I have two wallets here in the settings. I can select my CellTest and see that I have a balance of 100,000 TKEL. Excellent. Okay, so I've got my wallet up and running. I've got some tokens to play with, and as an example, I could send them to my other wallet. Let's go back in the settings, CellTest2, my wallet that it has no balance. I'm going to copy the address for the Minkowski network. Then in CellTest, I can send it some tokens. So we've got, make sure that you have the right network on both ends, the Minkowski network. I'm going to send a whole 1,000 Kel to this wallet address, which I've just copied. And I have a transaction fee. All right, now it's placed in the meme pool, and the status is pending. Should all happen pretty quickly here. And here you can see that in my first wallet, it's got my last actions. So here it shows that today the devs dropped me this amount of Kel. All right, let's see if it's arrived. Not quite yet, but we are online. We can hit sync. Minkowski is now syncing, and once it's completed doing that, the balance should appear. Cell test. Well, folks, it's taken a little bit of time, but you get the gist. And so yeah, go ahead and get your dashboard downloaded, get your wallet set up, and go ahead and interact with our devs online and get some test coins to play with. This is Gleb for the Cellframe content team signing off. Over and out.